You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart pounds 10,000 feet, but you're my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me.
Oh my god. Guys, it's so pretty. Wait long, leave our things outside. Oh my god. Ang ganda. Okay, it's wow. It's so pretty. Okay, so we're gonna show you the villa, guys. This is the first door. Okay, so this is the bathroom here. First bathroom. Sorry, ma'am. This is the living room, which is so pretty. Okay, we have the first bedroom over here. It's very pretty. Guys, gusto ko sa taas naman kami. This is the second floor. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And this is the second bathroom. I wish I can do like a really good room tour, but I feel like I can't do it because I can't give this place any justice. It's just so pretty. I'm obsessed. This is our villa. It's very spacious. So pretty. I can't wait for the night view. We just arrived at our villa and now we're leaving again because we're gonna head out to this really cute dinner place overlooking the beach, and it's so...
Say no.
Say no. No, no, no. One decide and everyone agrees. No choice. Si Jen nga, nung nakita niya, ito te, okay, go. Fuck this. The driver arrived in 4 minutes. Yung tinext niya,
Yeah? Dapat may yeah?
oh my god, the lights is giving. Oh my god, I'm in paradise.
Magpaspa naman kami ulit. May music na naman pagpasok ko dito, mamaya.
Wow, it's so pretty. Look at this, babe. Look at their room.
Okay, pa picture sa bed, may ganyan.
Uy, andito na siya. Okay, we got our food. This is the lasagna. Cute.
Cute naman.
Guys, this is for everybody. The calamaris and then the squid. Ay, octopus.
Nicole? Ako nga pa try. Paano kumuha?
So we just got back from our dinner. And now, as you can see, I wanted to show you how cute our villa is at night. Because, wait, hold on. I just need to. That is how... Woo! How's it gonna hold? That's how cute our villa is at night. I don't know if you can see that, but that's like all the way up there. It's really high ceiling. It's really not big, but it's very spacious. Alright, good morning. Today is our day 4 here in Bali, and it is currently day 4, right? And it's currently 7:33 a.m. It's April 12, and we are headed to Nusa Penida. And my friends are braiding their hair. My cousin, family tree.
Family tree?
My
Lola
and my
Lola.
friend.
My Lola and her Lola
are together.
together are sisters.
We have the cutest outfit. Yes, we're excited. I heard it's really pretty, and we're excited. It's gonna take us 35 minutes. We're waiting for the boat, and it's gonna take us 35 minutes to get there. And then we were given this like ID thingy, like our entrance, and we're paying like a badge, and we're paying like $8.50 per person.
Everybody loves somebody. Tell me I'm the one that you love. And everybody needs somebody.
Then this place also named to be Thousand Island. The reason is some of the little hill around here. That's why they call it Thousand Island. Thousand Island. Now you're gonna need 1 hour drive.
Oh, we can do 1 hour drive
Okay,
first. Yeah, because we're still full.
Okay,
Yeah? Okay, so this is the Diamond Beach. And that's the diamond right there. Right? Diamond shape. Diamond shape. That's why it's called Diamond Beach. It's very, very nice, but it's very, very hot. Unfortunately, it's so hard to enjoy the beach if it's this hot and we can't go swimming. Huh? Oh, yeah. Wow, that's so nice too. Yeah, but the waves are crazy today, so we're not allowed to go swimming here. It's very deadly.
We're not a mermaid. We're not mermaid.
It's very deadly.
I mean, you can if you know how to swim.
Yeah, you can if you know. But we don't. But then so many...
Life at first. Sige, basura na pala yan.
But yes.
Sa vlog yung basura.
It's very nice. I love it.
Here's the sun.
And yeah.
Can you look at our skin?
Okay, honest review. What are you guys think?
Very tired.
What are you guys thinking?
Tiring, pero
It's very pretty.
everything was
worth
worth
it.
it.
Yeah.
But in
It's worth it,
moderation.
yeah?
It's worth it, yeah.
Yeah.
Very pretty, yeah.
Okay, my third life in Bali, yeah?
Alai,
we got sick?
Alai resurrected 3 times. It's very pretty. Yes, definitely. Must visit at least once in your lifetime. You come see this place.
Because once is enough. Yeah, once is enough, please.
But it's very fun though. We're having fun. The other side of Kilengking Beach, right?
Okay, be careful, eh.
Huloy. You're gonna die, no? Inside this Sening Bagus shop to buy some souvenirs. I don't know what I'm getting, but I will get food and some tea, coffee. Oh, really?
Nasa car.
Okay. So now we're inside the store. We're on our way. Hi. Okay.
Where you come from?
Philippines. Try natin to, Kap. I heard masarap to. Lagi. Try daw. I-try sa. Sige lang. I-try lang. Ha? It bagay. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yay! Woo! Hey, babe, blow your candle, babe. was a blur. But anyway, it's our last full day here. I'm sad. I'm gonna miss this. Grabe ang bilis.
Okay, parang natulog ka.
I know.
Oh, wow.
Okay, now we're
Look at
here
that.
at this the third babe or second? Garuda Wisnu. It's like
GWK statue.
GWK statue. So we paid about 120 per person. 120, but if you are going to do the ultimate experience, it would be like close to 300,000 rupiah. But we're not going to do that because we don't have the time. I think like it's not until like 1 p.m. and currently right now it's 11. We want to make sure we get it done quickly because we're about to go to the edge for lunch. Now here at Uluwatu Temple. We're not gonna join the Keshak dance because we saw a little bit from Atlas and also we already did the Barong dance. So right now we're gonna pick, because it's a temple, we have to wear the sarong again. Right guys? Yeah. This is our next stop. This is Coffee Luwak.
Luwak coffee.
Luwak coffee. We're gonna try coffee made from civets.
Nang sibet.
Civet, right? We're gonna try the coffee. Yeah, coffee beans. This is our guide, Kuya Kamong.
Coffee, so we use the poo from the animals to making the coffee here. Have you been trying the luwak coffee?
No.
Not yet. But it's actually for the luwak animal, they will eat the coffee. Yeah, so they eat the coffee, but they eat only the skin of the coffee. And for the bean inside, they just swallow and then they do fermentation in the stomach for 10 hours. After that, they
Okay, how much for the testing?
for the testing is at no charge.
No charge.
Yes.
Okay.
Only the luwak coffee daw.
Yes.
50K per cup.
Okay.
So, do you want to try for the luwak coffee?
You wanna try it, babe? I'm sure you do wanna try it.
Man lang tayo, sharing na lang.
So, isa sa inyo. And then, tag-isa kayo. So, 3.
3 cups.
Mhm.
Thank you. In this dish, you can follow the list on the bottom of the glass already the number. Okay, so you can start from here. It's at the number 1 until 5, number 6 to 10, 11 to 15. Yeah.
Okay. Tara lang.
Nag-post bigla. Nakitang recorder. Ginandahan yung pag-sip. Pag tayo lang.
It's strong, no? Ikaw, Ket, try.
Tapos yung ibang personality. Lumabas yung nanuntok bigla.
Parang ginawa siyang powder. Tapos, masarap. Masarap. Yummy. It's giving.
Okay, acid reflux prepared.
Masarap. Try po, babe, flight. Oo, try, babe, try.
Ano yan?
Yun nga, nag-offer sila free flight of drinks. Masarap. Ket, try.
Mango steam tea.
No, masarap.
Busin na yan.
Ubusin mo na.
No, sarap.
Ubusin mo na.
Lubos.
Okay, what?
Okay.
Confiscate
Bango.
ka natin. Si
Okay. Matcha.
Boiled beans.
Lasang KitKat.
Sarap.
Masarap.
Ooh, smells like matcha.
Talaga ito.
Try na ko.
Sarap. Gusto ko
Try
yun.
ba? Bagong yun.
Yung gusto ko yung amoy.
Sarap. Like, you're gonna love this. Vitali seafood. Okay, let's eat.
Good. Masarap.
Oh, masarap. Okay, so this is the seafood place here in Bali. They will weigh it for you and then cook it for you however you want, fried or grilled, but we prefer grilled.
Videohay mi. Therapist. Telugu sa niya, hindi good.
The lens is foggy.
Foggy.
Okay. Okay, where's the grilled chicken? Ang lapit. The grilled chicken. Alay, masarap yung scallops. Ayan na naman.
Okay, I'll try for you.
No, prawn, fish, lobster, fish.
May lobster.
Ay, wala ba? May kasama dapat lobster yun eh.
So we are now here. Where's this?
What do you name this beach?
My beach is Tanjung Benua Beach. Tanjung Benua Beach.
Tanjong Benua.
Yeah,
So we're here at
Tanjung
Tanjong
Benua
Benua Beach. And we are about to do water sports. Today is Monday, April 15th. It's Mac's birthday. Yay! Happy birthday! We just finished our surf lesson and it was fun. Now we're gonna do some water sports. Taas ng energy.
One more chicken, Korean chicken, right?
Chicken Korea. One more again.
I think nag-order ka, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah, so 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, this should be 4.
Four.
Yeah,
Korean chicken.
total, yeah.
So this is our orders. Korean chicken. Ooh, some tacos. What is it, babe? Fish taco?
Chicken.
Oh my. Bring my microphone with me. I'm sure it's very, very loud right now. But we're gonna be riding a helicopter. This is like maybe our 4th time or 3rd time. But the best part about this is that Mac and I will be sharing this experience with a bunch of our friends. We've never been inside a helicopter, so that's gonna be way, way, way exciting. I'm excited, they're excited, let's go! Excited? Are you scared?
No, I'm excited.
Hi, Char. Are you scared?
Just something about you makes me so sure. I know what it is, but you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe. I know that you'll save me. You'll be my parachute, baby. Know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds. So is my heart bounce 10,000 feet between my parachute. Baby, know you'll catch me whenever
Getting
I fall.
matching tattoos. Where are you gonna get it?
You got me. But if I feel an edge of a cliff.
dinner. Finally, we can try babi guling. This is our last meal here in Bali. Okay, we're gonna eat babi guling.
7.
Up that one. And then,
What is Jeruk?
As orange.
That's orange?
oh, orange.
Pila ka mo?
Do you have lemongrass tea?
No.
What is this?
Iced tea.
Iced tea?
Iced tea. For the 7 portion, that's all are spicy.
Yes.
Uy, dili, uy.
I don't know, see.
So they have fixed menu here. Fixed menu with everything for only 65,000 rupiah.
Yeah.
We have a flight to catch, so we're packing a... Thank you! We're saying bye to our guide. Bye, Kuya. Okay, we're gonna go. Bye, Kuya. Bye, Jen. Oh, I'm so sad. We're already here. Okay. We're already here at the airport, and we're saying bye to Kuya. To the best tour guide in the world with extra pasalubong. With susu.